Hello students, welcome to BVS physics classes. In this video, we are going to discuss about the electrostatic force related problem. What you learn the electrostatic force equation is electrostatic force equation F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 divided by R square. And not only this concept, one more concept is electrostatic conduction, that is charging by conduction. The charging by conduction means whenever the two charged bodies Q1 and Q2 both are contact together, then they are sharing their charges. After sharing the charges, their distribution of the Q1 dash is equal to Q2 dash is equal to Q1 plus Q2 by 2. After distribution, after contact between the two bodies, then we will get the each charge value is Q1 dash is equal to Q2 dash is equal to Q1 plus Q2 by 2. Based on this concept, we are going to solve the problems. This one, what they given the problem is two identical balls having like charges and placed at certain distance apart repel each other with a certain force. They are brought in contact and then moved apart to a distance equal to half of their initial separation. The force of repulsion between them increases to 4.5 times in comparison with the initial value. The ratio of the initial charges of the balls is. This is the problem they given. Please observe once again two identical balls. Two identical balls means size wise they given the same identical balls, but they have a like charges. Like charges means Q1 is positive and Q2 is also positive, but magnitude wise they are not same. Both are same like charges and placed at certain distance. Placed at certain distance means the distance between these two charges is, the distance is I am considered as smaller. Distance apart repel each other. Repel each other means their repulsion is going on. That repulsive force is nothing but electrostatic force. Electrostatic repulsive force we can tell. Due to this repulsive force, what is the force is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This is equation number A. Up to this point is one point. Half of the problem completed. Next, they are brought in contact. They are brought in contact. That means what we discussed till now, this one is, this is before contact. Okay, this is before contact. Next, after contact. After contact means if these two charges, that is a Q1 and the Q2 charges, both are contact together. Both are contact together. There is a Q1 and another charge is also, that another charge is Q2. Both are contact together. They are exchanging their charges. Then what we will get the values on the each charge value is Q1 dash Q2 dash is equal to Q1 plus Q2 by 2. This concept is based on the electrostatic conduction. Now what they mentioned is after they brought in contact, after contact and then moved apart to a distance equal to half of their initial separation. Half of their initial separation means see here, initial separation is R. After separation means after contact, these charges will become Q1 dash and this charge is also Q2 dash. Both are separated by distances R by 2. They mentioned as half of their initial separation. Half the initial separation. The force of repulsion between them increases. In this case, the force of repulsion between them is, there is F dash is equal to 4.5 times of the F. 4.5 times of the f. Now what they are asking, 4 times of the 4.5 times in comparison with the initial value. The ratio of the initial charges of the ball is, initial charges means q1 and q2 values we have to calculate. How can we calculate? This value is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 dash into q2 dash divided by r dash square. Here r dash is equal to r by 2. Now please consider this one. 4.5f is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 dash and q2 dash means q1 plus q2 by 2 whole square divided by r by 2 whole square. That implies 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 plus q2 whole square divided by 4 into 4 divided by r square. 4 term can be cancelled. Finally, what we have, the equation is 4.5 times is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 plus q2 whole square divided by r square. Here from the equation A, now from the equation A, what we have, the equation of f value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 q2 by r square. I am substituting that value in this equation. See here, 4.5 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 q2 divided by r square is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 plus q2 whole square divided by r square. This r square, left hand side, right hand side, same terms can be cancelled. 4.5 into q1 q2 is equal to q1 plus q2 whole square. Now please consider this one. 4.5 times of the q1 q2 is equal to q1 square plus q2 square plus 2q1 q2. Now this 4.5 times of the q1 q2 will become this side. Then we can take it as a q1 square plus q2 square plus 2q1 q2 minus 4.5 times of the q1 and q2. 4.5 times of the q1 and q2. Now q1 square plus q2 minus 2.5 times of the q1 q2 is equal to 0. And one more thing, my dear student, this one is also is equal to 0 because this 4.5 times is going to that side. Now what is our main aim in this question? We have to calculate as a q1 q2 value. It is looking like quadratic equation. What I am doing it is, I am dividing with this equation, dividing the above equation with q2 square. When I am dividing the above equation with q2 square, then what we will get it is q1 square divided by q2 square plus q2 square divided by q2 square minus 2.5 times of the q1 q2 divided by q2 square is equal to 0. This term value will become 1 now. Next here q2 square, q2 can be cancelled. What we have, the equation is q1 by q2 whole square plus 1 minus 2.5 times of the q1 by q2 is equal to 0. See here, in this case q1 by q2 I am considering it as x. q1 by q2 is equal to x I am considering. When I am considering the q1 by q2 is equal to x, then this equation will be changed to x square minus 2.5 times of the x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then this equation I am changing it as x square minus 25 divided by 10 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now that equation becomes x square minus 5x by 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Next, here this is looking like quadratic expression. In this quadratic expression, we can solve the 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. 2x is taken common. X minus 2 minus 1 is taken common. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Then there is 2x minus 1 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to, we will get as 1 by 2 comma 2. But here q1 by q2 is equal to 1 by 2 comma 2, because x value is become q1 by q2. That's why q1 by q2 is equal to 1 by 2 comma 2. Then the ratio q1 by q2 value is nothing but 2:1, because we can't take it as 1 by 2 term, that is a fraction term. That's why we will take it as q1 by q2 is equal to 2:1. Okay, I hope all of you understood it, this problem. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends. Finally, subscribe this video. Thank you.